whether true or false. So 2 upon 7 is irrational number, 5 upon 11 is rational number. Up to that much we have done. Now 3 more are there.
Sir, full true or false is done.
All 3 more are there. We have done up to 5th. Now 6th.
Sir, done.
6th.
You gave homework.
All rational numbers are real numbers.
But you have given question. Not an.
All rational numbers.
Yeah, you.
All rational numbers are real numbers.
I have please tell him to keep quiet.
Yes, keep microphone on mute. All rational numbers are real numbers. All rational numbers are real numbers. True or false?
False.
So answer is true. Because see the reason. This is my number line. This is my number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. This side we have minus infinity.
Why don't press?
This side we have plus infinity. So this is my real line. All the real number. This is my real number. This is my real number line system. Real number line
Sir,
system.
what is the question number of this form? So, rational number can be negative form?
Yes, because rational number contains integer also, no? Every integer is a rational number. Every natural number, see, we have seen number system. Natural number, they are present in whole number, yes or no?
True.
Now whole number, they are present in
Why don't press it?
integers. They are present in integers. Said.
Simple don't present. Yes, sir.
Then integers, whole number, natural number, all are rational number. Q. Q denotes rational number.
Yes, sir.
And the number which are not rational number, they are irrational numbers. We have seen the definition. Irrational numbers, which we write as R minus Q. That means from real number, we remove rational number, we will get irrational number. And rational and irrational both, they form real number, R. Real number system.
Sir, give the example of real number minus rational number.
See, all natural number, all whole number, all integers, all rational numbers, irrational numbers, all are present in real number. So this real number contains the whole number system. This real number contains the whole number
Sir, give
system.
example of R minus Q.
For example, 1 is a natural number, 1 is also a real number. 1 is a natural number, 1 is also a real number. Minus 1 is an integer, but minus 1 is also a real number. 0 is a whole number, but 0 is also a real number. So entire number system, they are covered in real number system. Entire number system is covered in real number system. Whether it is natural number, whole number, integer or rational or irrational, every number will be contained in real number. So all rational numbers are real numbers. It is true. It is true that all rational numbers, they are present in real numbers. Then next is, all real numbers are rational numbers. 5th, 6th one, 7th one, sorry. All real numbers are rational numbers. All real numbers,
All.
yes, are rational numbers. all real numbers are rational numbers? Just tell me, true or false? All real numbers are rational number?
False. False.
It is false because
False.
see the reason.
False.
I am writing the reason on this side.
False.
Root 2 is a real number? Yes or no? Root 2 is a real number because root 2 is irrational number. All rational, irrational, whole number, natural number, integer, they are present in real number. Root 2 is real number. Root 2 is real number. In fact, root 2 is irrational, but irrationals are present in real number. So root 2 is real number, but root 2 is not a rational number. Root 2 is not a rational number. Is it clear? All real number are not rational number. Some real number can be rational number. Instead of all, if it is some, then the statement is correct, true. But it is given all real numbers. All real numbers, root 2 is also real number, but root 2 is not a rational number. Some real number are rational number.
True.
True. So, 8-1. Some real numbers are rational number. Answer is true. Because some real number means you can take 2 as real number, 3 as real number. They are real number, but they are also rational number. So all real number are not rational number, but some real number are rational number. Clear this part?
Yes, sir.
Now fourth one will start. We are given a solution set. Fourth, given the universal set, you are given a set which contain element -6, -5 is to 3/4, -√4, -3/5, -3/8. There are elements 0, 4/5, 1, 1 is to 2/3, √8, 3.01, pi, 8.47. This is the universal set. From the given set find first from the given set find set of rational numbers, then set of irrational numbers, set of irrational numbers. Third,
Set of integers.
Set of integers. Set of integers. 4 set of non-negative integers. Set of non-negative integers. Non-negative means either 0 or greater than 0. Non-negative. Non-negative means not negative. Not negative means either it is 0 or greater than 0. Now we find the elements from this set. We have to find rational numbers and irrational number first. So set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. Yes, now we have to list the element from this. Minus 6. Minus 6 is rational. Yes. Minus 6 is rational. Minus 6 is rational because minus 6, I can write minus 6 upon 1, P by Q form. So minus 6 is rational. What about next? Minus 5 is to 3 by 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Minus 23 by 4. Minus 23 by 4 is also rational. Yes, keep microphone on mute. Keep microphone on mute. Minus 5 is to 3 by 4. Minus 5 into 4, 20 plus 3, 23. Minus 23 by 4, P by Q form. P by Q form, so again it is a rational number. What about minus root 4? Minus root 4
Irrational.
is same as not irrational. What is root 4? 2. Root 4 is 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2 is not irrational. Minus 2 is rational. Are you getting? So minus root 4. Root 4 is 2. Minus 2.
Sir, if an even number is in root, then it is always a rational number.
Yes, what happened? Repeat. Repeat the question.
If 9 is there, then it will be a rational number, root 9.
Root 9 is 3, no? But if it is root 7, where 7 is prime, what I have given, root p is a irrational where p is prime number. Means they have only one factor. Either 1 or the number. So root 7 I cannot simplify further. So root 9 I can write 3. 3 is a rational number. Clear? Minus 3 by 5. Rational number. Minus 3 by 8, P by Q form, rational number. 0 is a rational number. Because 0 I can write 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2. 4 by 5, rational number. 1 rational number. 1 is to 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So we can write 1 is to 2 by 3 only. Root 8. Root 8 I can write 4 into 2. Now this 4 I can take outside, it will be 2 root 2. And 2 root 2, this is not rational because of this root 2. So this is root.
Sir, how did that 2 came?
Because this 4 I have taken outside, no? Square root. In square root, the double 4 I can write 2 into 2 into 2. This pair 2 into 2 I can take outside once, 2. So that is 2 root 2. And because of this root 2, it is not a rational number. So this is not rational. What about 3.01? 3.01 is rational because I had given one more definition of rational, that those numbers which are terminating decimal. 3.01, after this decimal, the digits are terminating, means division stops. 3.01, the divisions, yes,
Sir, blur with red board.
3.01,
Board clear.
3.01, terminating decimal. The division stops after 01, it is not repeating. So this is terminating decimal. 8.47, yes, the division stops after 47. So they are rational numbers. They are rational
Sir,
numbers.
pi is not a rational.
Root pi is 22 upon 7. Last period we have explained. Pi is 22 upon 7. When you divide 22 by 7, the division 3.141414, so this is not repeating. The division does not stop. So non-terminating are irrational numbers. This is the division does not stop. When this is non-terminating, non-terminating are irrational numbers, terminating are rational numbers. So that is why pi is irrational number. Now set of irrational numbers. Set of irrational numbers. What are set of irrational numbers? Root 8,
Root 8 and pi.
root 8 and pi. Root 8 and pi. They are,
Sir, minus root 4 also.
no, minus root 4 is not irrational, because minus root 4,
Not here.
root 4 I can take outside 4, this become 2, minus 2 is rational.
Okay.
So these two are irrational numbers. Third, set of integers. Set of integers. What are set of integers? Yes. Integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, they are set of integers. Negative, positive and 0. Minus 6 is integer. Minus 6. Then this is not integer. This is integer. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
This is integer.
Yes,
This is integer because
No, sir. Sir, minus 3 upon 4 is an integer.
minus 3 upon 4 is a rational number.
Yes.
This minus root 4, root 4 I can write 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2 is integer, negative integer.
Let them mute yourself.
Minus root 4. Because 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So this becomes minus 2. Minus 2 is negative integer. Minus 3 by 5 is not an integer. This is not an integer. 0 is an integer. 4 by 5 is not an integer. 1 is an integer. 1 is to 2 by 3, not an integer. Root 8 is integer? No. It is an irrational number. 3.01 integer? 3.01 is integer? No, because
No.
in integer between 3 and 4 there is no integer. Pi irrational 8.47, so only this much is there in the set of integers. Then fourth, set of non-negative integers. Set of non-negative.
What is non-negative integer?
Non-negative means integers. See, integers are either negative or positive or 0. Three category. Plus, minus or 0. Non-negative means not negative. So if you remove that negative part, which is left? 0 and positive are left. So these are set of integers which are non-negative. This is negative. This is negative. This is 0 and this is positive. So set of non-negative integers are only two, 0 and 1. Non-negative means either 0 or positive. So from this set of integers, this is 0 and this is positive, so they are non-negative. Is it clear?
सर हम लोग ने 3.01 और 8.47 को इंटीजर्स में क्यों नहीं लिया?
No. 3.01. 3.01 is not an integer because in integer between 3 and 4 there is no integer. Between 4 and 5 there is no integer. 5 and 6 there is no integer. So 3.01 it lies between 3 and 4. And between 3 and 4 there is no integer.
And between 8 and 9.
Between 8 and 9 also there is no integer. Is it clear? The same thing is there for natural number also, for whole number also, for integer also. Between 1 and 2 there is no natural number. Between 1 and 2 there is no whole number. Between 1 and 2 there is no integer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, as you already know, then from this 9th standard will be a university, will be a board exam. Is it clear? 9th standard will be ICSE board exam. Paper will come from outside, from the board, ICSE board. So, in that board, there is one question which is favorite question of teachers and paper sitters, that is 5th question. Use method of contradiction. Use method of contradiction. Use method of contradiction to show that root 3 and root 5 are irrational numbers. Are irrational numbers. This is important question. You can mark star important.
What is the question number, sir?
Question number 5.
Okay, sir.
Use method of contradiction.
Question number 5 अलग ही है.
Yes, question number 5.
Sir, ये question number 5 is that use method of
Contradiction.
Division.
Contradiction.
इधर तो अलग representing each.
Show that root 3 and root.
6th one is contradiction, 5th one is division, simple method. 6th one is contradiction. Oh, तेरी पुरानी book है.
You write this question. It may be here and there. Does not matter. You write. Use method of contradiction to show that root 3 and root 5 they are irrational numbers. Root 3 and root 5 they are irrational numbers. Now what is method of contradiction? In method of contradiction, don't write this. In method of contradiction, what we do, now don't, this part you don't have to write. I am explaining what is method of contradiction. Method of contradiction is, in the beginning, we make wrong assumption. Make wrong assumption. We make wrong assumption and proceed further. At the end, this part you don't have to write. I am explaining what is method of contradiction. Method of contradiction is, in the beginning we make wrong assumption. We make wrong assumption and then we continue further, and at the end we arrive at a wrong conclusion. We arrive at a wrong conclusion. At the end, we arrive at a wrong conclusion means because of my wrong choice, at the end, I have arrived at a wrong conclusion. If we arrive at a wrong conclusion because of wrong choice or wrong assumption, that means your assumption is incorrect. So now, using this contradiction,
Not understood.
not understood? See, what is method of contradiction? We make wrong assumption. What?
Sir, somebody is presenting in between.
Arey, don't present. Nobody should present in between. Next time he or she will not be allowed. Prince, ठीक है. Next time I will not admit him. To show that root 3 is irrational number. Root 3 is irrational number. This is what we want to prove. So I will make wrong assumption. Method of contradiction means you have to make wrong assumption. What I want to prove? I want to prove that it is irrational number. And I will assume wrong. Suppose root 3.
So you will get wrong answer, no?
Yes, at the end we get wrong answer. Suppose root 3 is, if it is not irrational number, what it should be?
But if we are getting wrong answer only, then why are we solving?
No, that is what it is called method of contradiction. Means you make wrong assumption, proceed, and at the end you arrive at a wrong conclusion. Because of wrong assumption, we arrive wrong conclusion. That means our assumption was incorrect, and because of that, whatever is that is the correct assumption. Is it clear? Suppose
Sir, where is this question in textbook?
Yes, method of contradiction.
Where is given from itself?
Suppose root 3 is rational number. You want to prove irrational number. We assume that root 3 is rational number. And now we'll proceed, and at the end we arrive at a contradiction. Root 3 is rational number. We make wrong assumption. What do you want to prove? That root 3 is irrational. What we have assumed? That root 3 is rational. If root 3 is rational, that means root 3 must be of the form a by b. Yes or no? Any rational number is of the form a by b or p by q. So root 3 we have assumed rational number. So root 3 must be of the form a by b, where a, b are both integers. A, b are both integers. B is not equal to 0, and HCF of an A and B have only common factor as 1. Only common factor 1. This is the definition of rational number. We want to prove that root 3 is irrational. Yes. Root 3 is irrational. So we have assumed the wrong assumption because method of contradiction. Suppose root 3 is
Sir,
rational.
can you explain the meaning of the last line?
A and B have only common factor 1. In rational number, A and B are integers, denominator is non-zero, and third, A and B have common factor 1. Numerator and denominator, only common factor among them is 1. Now proceed further. Root 3 is a by b. So squaring both the sides, root 3 square is a by b square. Square both the sides. Square both the sides. So root 3 square is 3
3 is equals to a square.
a square upon b square. Now cross multiply. You will get 3b square is equal to a square. Yes, cross multiply.
Thank you, sir.
3b square is equal to a square, or a square is equal to 3b square. Now 3b square is divisible by 3. Yes or no? 3b square is divisible by 3 because 3b square contains 3. Is it clear? For example, 15. 15 I can write 3 into 5. So 15 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 5, both. Same thing, 3b square is divisible by 3. But what is 3b square? That is same as 3b square contains 3, so it is divisible by 3. We can divide 3. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you continue. Sir,
What?
continue, please.
1 minute is there.
Sir, continue. Sir, 11 2 again. Sir, continue. Sir, continue.
No, this is, let me,
Sir, continue.
3b square is divisible by 3. But what is 3b square? That is same as a square. So a square is divisible by 3. A square is divisible by 3. A square I can write a into a. A into a is divisible by 3. A square means a into a. So if a into a is divisible by 3, that means a is divisible by 3. A is divisible by 3.
Sir, a square is divisible by 3.
A square is divisible by 3. For example, 3 square is divisible by 3. Yes or no? Because 3 square is 9. So, okay, we'll write this as equation 1.
I will continue from the next time.
Okay. Now we stop because break is there. But further part is left there. We have to continue further.